Hello students, this is the test setup. We will going to discuss about the experimental setup to determine the operating characteristics of a given electromagnetic type inverse overcurrent relay. This is the electromagnetic type inverse overcurrent relay which you are able to see. Here the TMS is 1, which we have already said, and the plug setting is 0.75. So based on this plug setting, we will see the connection diagram. Here you see the variac. The one terminal of variac is connected to an emitter. That here we are using a clamp-on meter. Now one terminal is going to the lamp load. Here you can see the lamp load is of 5 ampere. Here we have connected two lamp load of 5 ampere. So to get 10 ampere current, we have connected this lamp load as parallel. So you can see here the parallel connection. Both the terminals are connected together, and the other terminal is again connected together to get 10 ampere current. Now the other terminal of this load bank is going to the switch, that is a single pole single throw switch, and here the relay connection, that is 9 number relay connected, and 10 is also connected across this switch. So you can see that relay coil which is having 9 and 10 number is connected across this switch, and one terminal from load is connected here at the switch, and the other terminal of switch is going back to the variac. So by this way circuit is completed from first terminal of variac to load, then to switch, and again going back to the variac. Now you see at the other side the 3 and 4 terminals of the relay which we have already kept out from the back side of relay. So here this 3 and 4 terminal, which is nothing but the trip contacts of the relay, one terminal is connected, 3 terminal is connected to lamp, and the other terminal of lamp is going to the supply. Similarly 4 terminal is directly connected to supply, so that whenever electromagnetic relay or rather inverse type electromagnetic relay give trip signal, this 3 and 4 terminal get connected, and here at the other end when we have connected the supply by which this lamp glows, and we can able to understand that relay has given the trip signal. So this is all about the circuit. Now you see the observation table. Here in observation table you can see there are two tables for different TMS. One is for TMS 1 and the other is for TMS 0.5. So here you see in the electromagnetic relay we have set TMS as 1. So we will perform experiment for first table where TMS is equals to 1, and plug setting remains same for all the reading, that is 0.75, which we have already seen in the relay, that is 0.75. So for this plug setting 0.75, we have to calculate plug setting multiplier, and operating time we will see by performing the experiment.